Morning, little dudes. I'm going to introduce you to our book that we're going to be studying this week. This story is called The Journey Home, and it's a fantastic story which talks all about conservation and how we can save our world and the things that we're doing wrong. I'm going to read you the first few pages today, and then you've got a project to do, which is to write me an information text about why polar bears are becoming extinct. Sorry, endangered, not extinct. Oh, goodness me, my language. The frozen sea was melting. Where has all of my ice gone? The polar bear wondered. Where is my food? He looked around. Well, I can't stay here, he decided. So he went for a swim. As he swam along, he found a little boat, alone upon the sea. This will be a lot easier than swimming, he thought, as he climbed in. Before long, he came upon a city, where machines rumbled and tall buildings hid the sky. What are you doing? Asked a panda, who was watching from the docks. I'm sailing in my boat, replied the polar bear. It's easier than swimming, you see. Well, I can't stay here, said the panda, and he lowered himself down into the boat and said, I think I'll come with you. And together, the two animals sailed along, listening to the seagulls and saying hello to the fish. Okay, we're going to stop our story there for today. I'm just going to turn back to the first page to ask you a couple of questions. My first question is, why do you think the ice that the polar bear lives on is melting? Where has all of his ice gone? And why on earth is he so hungry? Where is his food, class 2? So I want you to now conduct some research, and I want you to find out the answer to both those questions. I want you to find out where the polar bear's ice is going. Where on earth are our world's polar bears' ice going? And where on earth is their food? And I also want you to answer this question, which is, the polar bear has been swimming for a really long time. How might he feel after he's been swimming for a really, really long time? And why on earth do you think he needed to get into the boat? He says, this will be a lot easier than swimming. Why on earth does the polar bear need to get into the boat?